I just checked into the St. Regis in Singapore, and I've got room 1805. Was upgraded. It is a Penthouse Deluxe. So let's take a look and see what we've got. Really nice wood paneling here in the entry. Wood paneled door. So we come across, first as we come in, entry foyer, coffee, tea station. Coffee has a French press. This room, and I think most of the rooms in the hotel, also have butler service, and so you just have to call up for coffee, tea anytime. So glassware here, so you can see good selection of coffees and teas, minibar stuff. So we got Johnny Walker, Absolute, Gordon's Gin, Bacardi Rum, some mints, pretzels, all those little goodies. And then down here we have the refrigerated stuff. I got the door open from the right side. Beer, wine, champagne, soft drinks. And just some empty cabinets. Safe, a couple shelves for storage, drawers, menu stuff, and then into the main part of the room. So work desk, nice big work desk again, really burled wood paneling, television, nice little sofa down in the corner. In addition to that, we still got a chair, nice king size bed. They've got everything set up for push button controls, which is wonderful, both sides. There as well. Nice ballet for slacks and jacket. Quite the view of the city. Just yeah, quite nice. A lot of greenery. And so let's do the last little. Oh, didn't even see these. Dresser cabinets. Slippers are down there. There's a second set here. So you get umbrella, nice robe. Oh, that is a really nice robe. That feels amazing. It's actually long too, which is wonderful. Nice to get cedar to keep the closet fresh. Let's go back and check out the bathroom. Haven't been in there yet. The bathroom, nice tub. We got a television that's into the mirror. There's another. Sorry, I'm whipping you around real fast as I see stuff. There's another robe, great robe. Oh, these towels are fantastic. Those are really nice and soft. And then what do we have is Laboratoire Remède as the amenities, dental kit, mouthwash, and makeup mirror. Anything on the inside, hair dryer there, and let's open the doors. So water closet with the toilet. We don't need one of those. nice marble. And then into the shower. So good sized shower. And they've got multi-spray, which would be really cool. We'll look forward to trying that one out. So that is it. So that is the room. So hopefully you enjoyed that overview. I was going to take another look in here. What else haven't I seen or pointed out? The welcome amenity. It's always nice to have a great amenity when you come in. So we got banana, a couple apples, an orange, some grapes, and something that I can't yet identify. So that's what we've got, and so that's the Penthouse deluxe room at the St. Regis in Singapore.